Hi everyone, this is Bolex H16 non-reflex camera. This is what I have come across recently. This one is a non-reflex, the earlier version. It has a finder on the top, eye level finder. It came with two lenses, 25mm and 75mm lenses. Works very well. Motor runs very well on all speeds. The condition is very good. Looks like the motor does slow down towards the end of the wind. I think it hasn't been used for years. It was in a big box and looks like it hasn't been used for 30 to 40 years. That's what the original owner told me. It has been in the box for nearly 40 years. It's still running well. I think I will have to wind the motor many a times and run it, and it should thereafter work fine. In the worst case, it has to go to some service center to get it cleaned, lubed and adjusted. View through the finder looks pretty good. There are some dust specks as expected, but nothing serious. The present finder is good. Both lenses work well. This was my recent find. It was recently picked up and thought I would share my find with you guys. In case you have any questions regarding Bolex non-reflex and reflex cameras or C-mount lenses, you're most welcome to write to me. I'll be more than happy to answer your questions. Thank you very much for your time. Thank you.